Well, hello there, it's Bridget, founder of Biddy Tarot and also creator of the Biddy Tarot Deck. And in this video, I'm excited to do a full tarot deck flip through with you so that you can see all 78 cards of this beautiful deck. So let's get started right away. Let's begin first with the major arcana cards, and I'd love to give you a little bit of commentary as we go through these cards. So you'll notice with the major arcana cards, it's our full color palette. And this was chosen in mine because you think about the major arcana cards and it really is life in full color. These are some of the biggest, chunkiest messages in the tarot. They represent karmic life lessons and key themes that we might be experiencing in our lives. And so that's why we use this full color palette, because it really is bringing the tarot to life in your own life. And you might have already noticed that throughout this deck, we use different types of skin colors because let's be real, the world, we have a lot of diversity, which is beautiful. And I really wanted to see that diversity shown through our deck. So you'll start to notice that more and more as we flip through. Now you might also see the Death card here and soon the Devil card. They don't actually look too bad, do they? We've really designed the Biddy Tarot deck to make sure that it is approachable, accessible. Even if you're brand new to tarot, or perhaps you're reading for friends or family that might not be used to tarot, might even be a little bit scared or nervous with tarot cards. But this kind of color palette really makes it a lot more approachable and accessible. All right, so that brings us to the end of the major arcana cards. Let's now jump into the suits. So we'll start with the Ace of Cups and the Suit of Cups. And you'll start to notice that we've chosen this color palette here of blue and turquoise right throughout this suit. And very intentional because the blue and the turquoise really represents that water element that we know of the Suit of Cups. So check that out. We're just going through all of the cards here in the Suit of Cups. And we always have the numbers at the top so it's easy to refer to, plus the name of the card at the bottom. And you'll see also with the Court cards, Page of Cups, we've got the P, and so on. So let's work our way through. Great, so that's the Suit of Cups. Now let's jump into the Suit of Pentacles. And you'll notice it's the gold and the purples. Gold is very much that grounding color and really links into the earth element of the pentacles. I think what's also really lovely about having these color palettes for each of the suits is, imagine when you're doing a reading and you're looking for those patterns of, do I see a lot of pentacles in my reading? You'll definitely notice it in the coloring of your reading as well. So almost at the end of the Suit of Pentacles here, all the way through to the King. And let's now jump into the Suit of Swords. And here we have the turquoise and the gold. And of course, Suit of Swords representing the mental element, the sort of thoughts, the mind. Suit of Swords is often a little bit scary, I suppose, of all of the suits. Seven of Swords here. But again, our intention has really been to make it quite accessible and approachable by all folks. So just coming up to the end of the Suit of Swords. And there's the King, and we'll just jump into the Suit of Wands. And you'll notice this is purple and blue, and that purple is really tapping into the spiritual element inside of the Suit of Wands, which is really lovely. This is probably my favorite color palette here in the deck. And you might also notice as I'm flipping, sometimes I wonder if I've got two cards because the thickness of these cards are so amazing. And we've chosen probably some of the thickest cards you'll experience because we want these to be a really sustainable deck that you're going to enjoy year after year. And it's got beautiful matte finish, and I'll show you the beautiful glossy edges in just a moment. So all the way through to the King of Wands. And let's take a little look at that beautiful glossy edging. You can see that. So pretty. All right. And that, my friends, is the Biddy Tarot Deck. You can get your copy over at biddytarot.com/deck. And I can't wait for you to have this in your hands. It is such a beautiful deck for tarot beginners, experienced tarot readers. And yeah, we made this for you. And so I can't wait for you to experience it. Head on over to biddytarot.com/deck. Okay, thank you so much. Bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.